Welcome to Smart School Info. Let's start to come more about our 7 continents. First one is Asia. Population, over 4.7 billion people, making it the most populous continent. Area, it's the world's largest continent, covering about 44.58 million square kilometers. Language, Asia is linguistically diverse, with thousands of languages spoken, like Marathi, Hindi, Chinese. Heritage, Asia has a rich cultural history, art, philosophy, and architecture. Second one is Africa. Population, over 1.3 billion. Area, it's the world's second largest continent, covering about 30.37 million square km. Language, Africa is linguistically diverse, with over 2,000 different languages spoken. Heritage, it has a rich cultural history with a legacy of art, music, dance, and oral traditions. Third one is North America. Population, approximately 579 million. Area, about 24.71 million square km, making it the third largest continent. Language, English, Spanish, and French are the predominant languages spoken. Heritage, it is a melting pot of cultures, home to people from various ethnic backgrounds. Now fourth one is South America. Population, South America has a population of approximately 430 million people. Area, about 17.84 million square km, making it the fourth largest continent. Language, Portuguese, Spanish, and other indigenous languages are widely spoken. Heritage, rich in heritage, with a blend of indigenous, European, and African influences. Now fifth one is Antarctica. Area, Antarctica is the fifth largest continent, covering about 14 million square kilometers. Despite its extreme conditions, Antarctica hosts various species, including penguins, seals, and seabirds. Climate, Antarctica is the coldest, driest, and windiest continent, with temperatures dropping as low as -80 degrees Celsius. Population, Antarctica is not permanently inhabited by humans. It has only research stations with a fluctuating population. Sixth one is Europe. Population, Europe is the third most populous continent, with over 740 million people. Area, it is the second smallest continent, covering about 10.18 million square km. Language, Europe is incredibly linguistically diverse, with over 200 different languages spoken. Heritage, Europe is often considered the cradle of Western civilization. And now last but not the least, seventh one is Australia. Population, Australia has over 25 million people, making it one of the least populous continents. Area, Australia is the smallest continent, covering about 7.7 million square km. Language, Australian English is the most widely spoken language and is the official language. Heritage, Australia is home to a rich indigenous culture with diverse communities. I hope you enjoyed it and get some extra knowledge about geography. If yes, please give us thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more such videos. Visit our website smartsco.infolips.com. You will find information related to education. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, comment, and share this video. And if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Please be our member for support us. Thank you.